Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, as I said on Friday, currently a lot of different currency pairs hold really interesting and significant setups for trading, as on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, a lot of currencies that potentially have really thrilling setups. But and today I was thinking what is better to deal with in current research, but still at my choice the Japanese yen carries most of others possibilities, mostly in the short-term perspective. That's why for today's research I have chosen the Japanese yen. Well, I suggest you to read our long-term analysis, because in fact the points that we will discuss currently in this video, they will become the foundation just as the preparation for major setup, for major events that could follow within the nearest 2-3 months on the monthly time frame chart. And our long-term analysis suggests that within the 2-3 months market still could reach an area around 105, 106 area. Here stands the major resistance, and what will happen around it will point us what to expect. Either market will form their reversal pattern, what precisely pattern you could read in our analysis, or market will fail to form it and continue to move higher. But until the situation on the higher time frames will resolve, the risk of the significant retracement, and there are some reasons for that significant retracement exist on the monthly time frame chart. Well, until the situation will be resolved with this possible reversal pattern, we can't think that Japanese yen stand in the doubtless upward trend. That's absolutely not the issue, and existing of the significant resistance right around 105, 106 area could be really a barrier for upward continuation. But situation on the daily time frame chart is just the events, the patterns that stands slightly earlier in time compared to the level that stand on the monthly time frame chart, and they could be some kind of the preparation or preliminary trading for major event that could follow and could happen on the monthly time frame chart. Because on the daily time frame we have in fact separate setup that not very significantly links with the situation on the monthly time frame chart, but still the trading on the daily time frame chart could lead us to an area that will be suitable for possessing on the longer perspective. A bit later you will understand what I'm talking about. So as you can see on the daily time frame chart, we have significant resistance cluster that stands around 103, 103.62, somewhere in this area. So what is the cluster? First of all, this is the 1618 extension of that butterfly. This is left wing, right wing, the smaller butterfly, 1618 extension. Here we also have the 127 extension of this bigger butterfly, left wing, right wing, and they stand in the same area. Slightly higher, market has untouched 100% extension target from that pattern, A, B, C, bottom. So that was the 618 retracement. Market stands on a road to the 100%, and you can see that it has been tested here. Also, I don't have it on this chart, but you will see on the hourly time frame chart that the weekly pivot resistance 1 level coincides on this week, on the coming week, with this target. So that will be also the weekly pivot resistance 1. So it means that market should show some small reaction to the upside and create the new top compared to this one. And then probably we could see the respect of this resistance by some retracement down. At least that is the scenario that is suggested by the probabilities. What pattern could trigger the retracement to the downside? Currently I see only the potentially the double repo sell, because you can see it first up, close below the 3x3, that is 3x3 moving average, close above the 3x3. You can see this really fast acceleration. Now, if market will form the second top, that will be much better. We need then to see the close below the 3x3 again to get the confirmation of this daily pattern. So this pattern probably will be confirmed not earlier than the middle of the week. Take a look that with this retracement, market hasn't tested the even minimum, the minor 3 level, so market hasn't reached it. It means that all bullish steam is still in the pot. So it means that there was no closing of the major part of the bullish position, and this recover and fast acceleration to the upside just confirms it. So currently we can't speak about the potential brand bottom, because market hasn't reached the significant fib support that is suggested by the framework of the brand bottom. Hence, the only pattern that we could get here is the double repo sell or its failure. So either market will form the double repo and show the retracement. I suspect this will be the target around 100 even, so market could retest this top by the retracement. Or if market will show the failure here, market could continue move high. Anyway, the double repo pattern will be the pattern that we will be watching for on the coming week. Now, what we could see on the hourly time frame chart. On the hourly time frame chart, we see a recovery. Since we have the target, untouched target that stands higher than the current market is, it's suspect that we should get some reversal pattern that simultaneously assumes some extension to the upside. And there are only two possible patterns that could give us this development. Is the butterfly or maybe head and shoulders pattern, but anyway, butterfly could become the part of this head and shoulders. So if market will form the butterfly based on this most recent retracement down, the 127 extension of this retracement stands right here, 103.82, 20 pips higher than the target on the daily time frame chart. That's, by the way, the weekly pivot resistance one. So you can see that market could create the second top of the double repo pattern on the daily time frame chart, simultaneously hit the target of this ABCD pattern by butterfly pattern on the hourly time frame chart. That's the major concern in the beginning of the week. Well, that is just a suggestion, because I do not know really well whether market will show the retracement down, how deep this retracement could be, what pattern will be formed. Maybe market will start to form some rising wedge here instead of the butterfly or something of that sort. That's also is possible. But if this will be the butterfly, the market could show the retracement to the confidence support around 102.40, 102.45 areas, confidence support. Well, and then reestablish move to the upside. That's very probable since market has untouched targets slightly above the current price level. So, as you can see, Japanese yen has really promising setups. Is on the daily time frame chart, is on the intraday charts. Since this is the daily update, daily video, we're mostly focusing on the daily time frame chart. And our major setup here with this research is particular butterfly, a double repo sell pattern. But if you're a scalp trader, you would like to take the long position with possible continuation to the upside, well, maybe this chart also will be useful for you. Mostly I have drawn this butterfly in picture just to give the more understanding, more clear picture for you guys to understand what to watch for. So if market will form the reversal pattern and simultaneously will form the double repo sell pattern on the daily time frame chart, that will just significantly increase the confidence for us to take in the short position based on this double repo pattern. And retracement also could be not small move. In fact, this will be approximately 3 points, 3.5 points from this level to the 100 even. That will be not small move on the daily time frame chart. And the appearing of the butterfly will just make the monitoring of this current situation easier. It will be just give us clear understanding of what is happening, what is going on currently on the Japanese yen. So That's all that I would like to say about the Japanese yen. If you will read our weekly research, where we also talk about the monthly time frame chart and the weekly time frame chart, you will better understand how all time frame chart, all time frame situation add each other and how it form the overall compounding picture of the Japanese yen, how they could be linked together. Every time frame chart could become the part of the puzzle of the overall picture on Japanese yen. That's really interesting and intriguing currently on the Japanese yen. So our major concern still is how, in fact, in reality, situation will turn. Although theoretically and by our analysis, we could see a very clear and harmonic picture. It's very logical, but how it will turn in reality, well, let's see.